So I've liked vintage Macs for a while now, something like 5 or 6 years. And I do have two. I have a 2006 MacBook and I have a 1994 Performa 630 CD. But as a collector, I'm always looking for more. So that's exactly what I did. And the Macintosh SE30 and iMac G3 I ordered are coming in today. Now I just want to say thank you to my friend Skeebis, who actually donated his SE30 to me for free. He paid for the shipping. And just thanks a lot. I'll put his channel link in the description. Alright, so let's get to unboxing the SE30. Okay, so this is the Mac SE30. If you couldn't tell, it's from me. So let's open it. Okay. A lot of bubble wrap. ADB keyboard. It's the same model I have. I see a computer. Yeah. Jesus Christ. ADB mouse 1 and keyboard. And power cord. Goodbye. Okay. We start with unbubble wrapping this. Much nicer than mine. Mine's missing 2 keys. Okay. And now all that's left is the computer itself. So that probably has my face in it. Okay. Scissors. Don't drop them. I see Macintosh. This thing is damn good packed. And there it is. The Macintosh SE30. This feels crazy to be holding. Okay, so much bubble wrap. Bubble. Okay, it's time to go handheld. This is it. Here it is. That was a hassle to unpack. Okay, I'm gonna set it up now with all these parts. Okay, so I've got it set up, and I was thinking this is where I'm gonna keep it, but not a lot of mouse space, and the keyboard takes up the whole thing. But anyway, let's do a first boot. Where's the damn power switch? No, where is it? There, okay. First boot. Nice, my camera is already set to be a CRT recorder. macOS 7.5. And there it is. There's the desktop. Let me bring this mouse over here. Got this Mac. System software 7.5.5. I think that's literally the highest you can go on this. Pretty epic. Okay, so over here is the Macintosh SE30 you just saw me unbox, but my iMac G3 has just arrived about 4 hours later. So, let's get to unboxing. I just want to talk about it for a minute. This is like one of probably the most influential computer ever, and I've always loved how they look and wanted one. So, this is a childhood dream come true. Okay, I think I can rip it. One panel. 2 down. I don't think these are taped up, so. Yep. Oh, that's an iMac G3. No way. Oh, that is so cool. Time to pick it up. Okay, I need to set you down. Okay. For that, is there anything else in this box? No, nothing. Okay. Oh my god, it's so huge. 1 second. Let's go handheld. Here it is. Oh my god, that is so cool to see in real life. I mean, I've seen one before, but not the fruit colors model. It was an indigo. And it wasn't in my room. Okay, let me go set this up. Okay, so here it is all set up with just a standard USB mouse that is very old. And let's see. Nothing. It was tested working. Let me go troubleshoot. Where's the chime? Why did it do that? That's not good. Why? Why?
Wake up in the morning like fuck P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out.
Okay, so it's the next day now, and I've deducted that this thing either has a broken power supply or analog board, and instead of returning it like I originally thought I would, I think I kind of want to repair it, like get a replacement part and put it in. But I'm not going to do that for a while, so for now I think I just want to clean this up, because it did come pretty dirty. What is all that? Okay, I still don't know what all these white dots are, so if you know, tell me. Okay, so that's about it to this video. I still want to try and get that iMac G3 fixed sometime in the future, not right away. And if you know what those white spots are, please tell me, and if they're removable. But yeah, thanks for watching.